A Jamaican couple wanted in Canada for fraud has been spotted in Jamaica as late as Friday. The Toronto police have released information on their website saying warrants have been issued for the couple's arrest. Our reporter Kirk Wright has been tracking the story and has this report.
40-year-old Kurt and his wife, 44-year-old Colette Comrie, are wanted by the Canadian police for fraud of over 5,000 Canadian dollars. Pictures and information about the couple have been making the rounds in the Canadian media since March 24. That's the exact day the Toronto police posted information about a warrant that's out for the couple's arrest. According to the Toronto police, between 2014 and 2016, a couple and wife team operated a financial investment and mortgage brokerage company called Keystone Financial Services in the Warden Avenue, Shepherd Avenue East area. The Toronto Police website says during that time, the couple encouraged clients to invest funds in various financial schemes that have since shown to be fake. Stuart Fleming, a detective constable investigating the case, says the couple operated a scheme that offered people mortgages,
promising them second, third, fourth mortgages on premises, promising people investment opportunities in different complexes, apartment complexes, hotel complexes.
The constable added that several persons were defrauded by the scheme the couple operated.
You're ranging from the widow's mite to the king's ransom. It's relative to the victim itself.
City News in Toronto says they also spoke to Colette Comrie about the fraud allegation.
They're saying that you bilked 6 people of more than $1 million. What do you say in response to that?
We didn't do that. And that's true. Never told anyone that we're building apartments.
While Comrie denied any wrongdoing, police say some investors lost their life savings.
Our investigations have revealed that the couple is indeed in Jamaica. Our undercover cameras spotted them on Friday leaving a meeting at the Clancarthy High School in Kingston, where they operate the school's canteen. Our checks reveal that the couple also operate another canteen at a government agency. We have also learned that the couple is now operating a financial institution somewhere near Kingston. Our sources say the company offers small loans. Our newsroom made contact with the couple's attorney this morning, who said they were not hiding.